Hi. Oh, are you going to talk to me?
Hi. Hi, baby. Hi, cutie. Hey, May. Want to talk? Another laugh.
Avery, that was the first laugh she ever did that she wasn't asleep for. And you got it out of her. Does Avery make you laugh? Yeah.
Hi. Can you talk?
Hi, Marin. Who's my little May? Who's my little May? Are you blowing bubbles? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, Marin? Oh, are you going somewhere? Can you talk to me? Hey. Can you talk to me? Oh, goodness, where are you going? Oh, goodness. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. You are so cute. Yeah, you're so cute. I see that tongue. I do.